What's going on, guys? Paul here, and today we're going to talk about why data is the missing factor to your virality and how I've built an automation that actually helps you go viral through data. So let's jump right in. First of all, let's see why data matters and most importantly, what it takes to go viral. Now, these are some stats exactly from YouTube that are pretty mind-blowing. Like every minute, over 500 hours of video are uploaded to YouTube, and that's about 720,000 hours daily. That's just crazy if you ask me. And with over 2.7 billion active monthly users, YouTube is one of the most competitive platforms to get noticed, of course. Like 90% of the top performing videos on YouTube come from channels with more than 250,000 subscribers, making it feel, of course, a bit of an uphill climb for smaller creators to stand out. Now, the good news is that going viral is not random. I mean, you can go viral with like 100 or 200 subscribers. And the secret to cracking the code lies in the data that YouTube is already giving you, the titles, the thumbnails, the descriptions, and ultimately all the patterns of the most successful creators in your niche. So that's what you have to do. When you're starting out in a new niche, you have to research the top creators in that particular direction and analyze all of their thumbnails, descriptions, titles, etc. And try to see a pattern right there, because if people are attracted to viewing those particular videos, and if you copy, let's say, the thumbnail and the title, you already increase your chances of a person clicking on your video. That's just facts. It's psychology 101. And this is exactly why I've created this automation. Now, this automation, it gets the data needed in order for you to analyze the 10% of the viral accounts and their needs. And remember, it's not absurd to copy and get inspired from others. I mean, it's absurd not to do that. Just imagine the hundreds of creators that have thousands and tens and hundreds of thousands of subscribers. You can just copy and paste some of their videos. You can just sprinkle a bit of your magic on them, get some other twists on some other subjects, and that's how the community grows, and that's how that niche is getting expanded. That's how you get new viewers to your channel. Because if you're trying to get new videos and new ideas and new concepts every single day in a certain niche, you're most than likely going to run out of ideas in like a few weeks. That's why you have to research what other people do and put your spin on it. Now let's see how this automation actually works and what it looks like. Now this is the automation. This is how it all looks like. First of all, what we're doing is inputting the channel ID. So you know, in the URL of any new channel on YouTube, there's a channel ID. Let's say it's an @ and Shandor Paul or Liam Otley or Iman Gadji. That's their ID. We input that, and through two APIs we get the creator's details and the creator's first page. In the creator's details, we are scraping the name of the page, the profile picture, the description of the page, and any other links, let's say email, a link tree, a link to his social media handles, and etc. And the creator first page, there we are getting the first 30 videos of that certain creator. Now, we are going to input all of those details, first off the creator's details, in the creator's sheet in an Airtable. And after that, we're going to use another API to extract the video details. So for each of those 30 videos, we are going to extract the title, the thumbnail, the description of the video, the keywords, and so on and so forth, in order for us to have as much data as possible. And then, of course, we are going to store it in our Airtable again. But another pretty important thing, a pretty smart thing, is I've made a prompt in ChatGPT that actually gives him a virality score for each video. That virality score is being calculated based on some factors that I'm going to show you right here in Airtable. So the virality score is based on other 5 scores, like the excitement of the video, the feasibility of the idea of that certain video, the thumbnail, the packaging of the whole video, like the title, the thumbnail, and the description, how well do they go together, and the broadness and the appeal of the topic itself. That's how we get the virality score. We store the score here, and we are going to actually sort every video from the highest score to the lowest score, in order for you to get inspired from the best videos more easily and not have to find them one by one. Now, thumbnails, titles, and descriptions are really important, of course. Let's say for thumbnails, you have already seen that those thumbnails, like MrBeast thumbnails, already have expressions that are pretty exaggerated, bright colors, a great image that is very, very saturated, maybe some bold text, in order for you to be attracted to click on that certain video. For the titles, of course, research shows that titles with emotional triggers with words like amazing, unbelievable, or hilarious tend to get significantly more clicks. Similarly, questions in titles like how to often perform better because they spark curiosity. It's all about how you play with the emotion of the viewer. And of course, the description and the SEO, very important. Videos that include relevant keywords in the description and take advantage of long tail keywords. For example, how to grow on YouTube in 2024, see higher ranking in search results. So an analysis of successful creators reveals that they often place their main keywords in the first 150 characters, ensuring visibility in research. These are just 3 facts that you can gather by matching patterns from your favorite content creators and from specific niche creators. Just keep that in mind. Now, this automation, of course, helps us a lot with storing all of that data and providing that virality score that eases our work of actually sorting the best videos. I will provide a link to the blueprint of the automation in the description. And in my next video, I'm going to actually build it step by step from scratch. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. And if you have any other questions about this topic, please let me know down below in the comments and I'll make sure to answer to all of your questions. Guys, see you next time.